So once there was a squire named Allworthy. So before we get to know about it, let's know that what's a squire. A squire is basically a man of high social standing who owns and lives on an estate in rural area, especially the chief land owner in such an area. Also, if you're a big fan of Hollywood historical adaptations, you will also know that squire is sometimes referred to a nobleman acting as an attendant to a knight before himself becoming a knight. Allworthy lived in a place called as Somersetshire. Since his wife as well as all his three of his children had died, he lived with his sister, Miss Bridget Allworthy, in his country villa. She is 30 years old. One day, as Allworthy retired to his chamber at night, he was surprised to find an infant in his bed. He called the housekeeper, Mrs. Deborah Wilkins, and handed over the child to her for proper care. The next morning, the squire presented the infant to his sister. She was greatly surprised. He told her to bring up the child as her own son. She agreed to that. The charge of finding out the infant's mother is entrusted to Mrs. Wilkins. For this purpose, the housekeeper went to the parish. Now, what's a parish, guys? Parish is basically a territorial entity in which, in many Christian denominations, constituting a division. A parish is under the pastoral care and clerical jurisdiction of a parish priest who might be assisted by one or more curates and who often operates from parish church. From the information Mrs. Wilkins is able to collect, it is believed that Jenny Jones could be the mother of the child. For several years, she has been a servant to Mrs. Partridge. She readily confesses to Mrs. Wilkins to be the child's mother. As Jenny is brought to the squire, the latter scolds her and asks her to reveal the name of her seducer, but she refuses to do so. A quack doctor, Blifil often visits the squire and partakes the latter's hospitality and generosity. Once his brother, Captain Blifil, who is about 35, pays a short visit. He and the squire's sister fall in love with each other and are secretly married. Dr. Blifil knows that the squire is a man of liberal views. So, finding an appropriate moment, he discloses the secret of the marriage of his brother and the squire's sister. The squire does not feel upset and takes the marriage lightly. The captain proves ungrateful to his brother and ill treats him. The latter leaves for London and there he dies after some time. So this is the video, guys. If you happen to like our channel, then please subscribe this channel and also encourage us to create more such videos and reach you people out. Till then, God bless you. Thank you all.